Stirrups or lateral ties is an important material in construction industry. It's vital because it helps makes the reinforcement to be in place before the concrete is poured. It also helps to resist bilateral shear and provide stability to the reinforcements of steel bars. Lateral ties in column prevents longitudinal reinforcement bars from blocking. It resists the shear force and hence contributes avoiding shear failure. It confines the concrete core to provide sufficient ductility or deformability, and it restrains the spliced bars and hence prevents their slip. Stirrups are provided to hold the main reinforcement rebars. Together in an RCC structure, stirrups are placed in proper intervals to beams and columns to prevent them from blocking. Also, they protect RCC structures from collapsing during seismic activities.